Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exam window and the exact SEB version required. Institutions lock versions to keep exams consistent. Once confirmed, download and install SEB, then open it so you can apply settings. Make sure to sign into your institution account if needed and allow permissions when prompted. Close background apps and turn off syncing utilities to prevent interruptions. This early setup prevents last-minute blocks and ensures SEB can take exclusive control of the machine when you start the assessment. Once SEB is installed, load the SEB file or paste the exam URL. These contain the locked settings that enforce the exam environment. You'll be prompted for any password or token. Enter it exactly, since typos trigger lockouts. Make sure the allowed resources list matches your needs. Disable external monitors or unallowed apps now, then click the exam launch. If you see a permissions dialog, grant it so SEB can restrict inputs. This keeps the test secure and consistent for all students. When you complete the exam, use SEB's submit function and wait for confirmation before closing the browser. Premature exit can void your submission. If you lose connection, save answers where permitted or follow the proctor's reconnect steps. Some systems support an offline recovery routine. If anything goes wrong, capture the exact error message and take a time-stamped screenshot or photo. This evidence speeds resolution. Then contact your instructor or support with those details so they can validate and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.